Why your disputes keep coming back account verified. This is going to be first in a 5-part series. When you submit a dispute to the credit bureaus, whether it's due to a collection, a charge-off, tax lien, late payment, student loans, bankruptcy, foreclosure, whatever the account may be, 99% of the time, in the first round, the credit bureaus will respond with account verified. What does account verified mean? It simply means they're responding to your dispute under the Fair Credit Reporting Act within that time frame of 30 to 45 days. That's it. They're stating they got your dispute, they reviewed the dispute, they verified the data, and then sent the information back to you, the investigation results stating account verified. Let me explain how you should receive that. First, take a deep breath, relax. This is what occurs during credit repair. So while you're repairing your credit, you will get responses from the credit bureaus stating that the account has been verified. That doesn't mean it cannot be removed. That doesn't mean it's being reported accurately. That doesn't mean you stop. What that means, when you get an account verified, you review exactly what you submitted in your dispute letter. Now let's go over some things that will typically generate an account verified. If you submit a dispute and you use the language, the account is not mine, I don't recognize this account, or you dispute this using a letter written by AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, whatever AI platform, and it was written well, and it used all the language. Let me explain. When you get the account verified from using one of those letters, 90% of the time, eOscar, which is the system the credit bureaus use to evaluate dispute letters online and mailed in disputes, will recognize that letter as being generated by AI and fitting a template dispute. So be ignored and they'll reply with account verified. So if you see someone telling you, let ChatGPT or some AI platform that they have discussed on their video, do your credit repair, understand the credit bureaus have AI also, and that will typically generate an account verified response. So let's go about account verified. What does that actually mean? Did someone verify? Was there somebody at the credit bureau who contacted the creditor or the third party debt collector? No. Account verified 90% to 99% of the time simply means the data being reported by the creditor or the debt collector match the information held at the credit bureau. And you may say, what data? Your address, your social, your date of birth, and your contact information matched what was contained at the credit bureau. So now they state that that account has been verified because the creditor or the third party debt collector has your personal information, period. That doesn't mean they contacted the debt collector. That doesn't mean they contacted the creditor. It just means the information matched. You got a letter back saying account verified. So when you get that letter back, many times, if this is the first round, this is not the time to escalate it to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, better known as the CFPB. There's no need to escalate a first round dispute directly to the CFPB after an account verified response. Why? You need more evidence. Now, account verified can also, and is normally, a violation of your consumer rights. And you say, hey, how is it a violation of my consumer rights? The violation occurs is because when you submitted that dispute, the credit bureau was actually supposed to contact the debt collector or the creditor and actually request information proving that the debt or collection is yours, which is a copy of your application, copy of any mailings they sent directly to you notifying you of the account status, any recordings, or any agreements that you've agreed to, whether verbally, which is typically what happens when you arrange for a payment arrangement over the telephone, or if you signed electronically for an application for a loan or a car. They have to provide and review that information to verify the account is actually yours and reporting correctly. And they should provide you with a copy of all the documentation and how they verified it. This does not occur in 99% of the responses, especially in the first round. In the first round, the credit bureau just wants to fulfill their obligation under the CFPB and the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which just means give you investigation results within 30 days. And the easiest way to fulfill that is to send you a letter stating the account has been verified, because electronically, your personal information matches the information being held by the creditor or the entity reporting the debt. Now, the credit bureaus are only verifying data, not documents. And remember, that is what they are supposed to verify, the documents, not the data. The next issue is what I spoke of earlier. Many times when repairing your credit, either by a credit repair specialist or you, the escalation is too soon. You need to, once you get the account response being verified on that dispute, you need to slow down. And in the next video, I'm going to discuss exactly what does that account verification mean? What do you need to do so you can prepare for your response? So make sure you watch the next episode. And this was a simple breakdown of what account verified means. Thank you. If you have any questions, send me an email at perfectscore@$10creditrepair.com. If you want to purchase the book, the link is in my bio and in the video description. And I look forward to working with you soon and speaking to you even sooner.